Right, well, she's arrived. This is the new Outsunny 48 litre twin compartment fridge freezer that I've ordered from eBay. Now, as you can see, it's quite a large box. What do we have on the front? We have got the energy, which is an E, 150 kilowatt annually. The decibel level is 43, and it is a 46, well, it says 46 litre here, but it is advertised as a 48. Now, the model is a C00-053 V70 G for Golf, N for November. I got this off eBay. It's very reasonable price. Normally these would sell 200 and odd plus. I got this for under £200. You can see it's obviously its gross weight there, etc. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to unbox it and show you the product. Right, well, this is the product. I've just unboxed it. As you can see, it's all green going around it. It also has a bottle opener here, as we can see. That's a bottle opener which you can use. It's got a handle, obviously for transport. I'll be honest with you, it feels all right, you know, when you're wheeling it. It doesn't feel as heavy as you would carrying it, but it has got a handle there. And if we go around to the other side, it's also got a handle here as well. What's this? Oh, that's where you actually plug in the bits of your cable to power it up. You also have the control panel as well, plus and minus, which I would imagine that's your temperature. You got your power on off. You got your set, which is for different functions, etc. Now, I'll be honest with you, it does actually feel quite robust, to be honest with you. So if we open it up, try that again. There we go. And what I am surprised about with it is that the internal, as you can see, is metal. It's aluminium. Many of these are just plastic. And one thing I do like about it as well, obviously with metal, it'll retain the temperature a lot more than it would plastic would. So that's a plus. Now, this side here, as you can see, is a lot not as deep as this particular compartment. You've also got a light here. You've also got a light there as well. Now, the control panel, now what do we actually get with it? So I'll show you in a minute what we actually get. So if we close it, this is the box we actually get. So what do we get in here? Let's have a look. Get that. We get that. And we also get the manual as well. So basically, this bit here is the mains adapter. That's the mains adapter. Obviously that bit there would, I'd imagine, which would plug in down here. So plug that in. It's a bit difficult using one hand, but there we go. That is actually in, as you can see. And then obviously that there would plug in to there. Now, you take that out. You've also got the 12 volt cable. Now, the actual unit does work on both 12 volt and 24 volts, I must say that, but you can connect it to the mains because this particular box brings everything down to 12 volts on the mains. This particular cable is ideal if you're going camping, etc. Now, I will be honest with you, I've actually physically had a bit of a look at the booklet. The booklet is quite explanatory. You know, you've got all your your safety tips, suggestions, etc. You've also got your specifications. Now this particular fridge isn't thermal, it actually does have a compressor on it, so it's a proper fridge. There also is a fan there as well, which you'll hear, and that is just to cool the compressor down while it's in operation. Now I'll be honest with you, I have had a look at the booklet, and it's although it is good, it could be better, because it's a bit confusing, to be honest, the way it's been sort of scripted, if you know what I mean. Now what I've done here, I've actually plugged it in to the power, just to show you the display. Now I don't know whether you can see the display, the actual display. So basically this side here, which is obviously your largest compartment, I have had it running for, I would say, about half an hour. So you've basically got down to 2 degrees. I've got it to set to come on to 0, and then the small compartment is actually 22. You've got your power, which if you press it 3 to keep hold of it, it's going to do it. Come on. There we go. Turns it off, and then press it again, switches it back on. Now, one thing, and obviously what you have as well, so basically what you can do, so say you want the smaller compartment to be your fridge, you can either have the small compartment or the large compartment both as a freezer, which you can do. You can both have both compartments as a fridge, or you can have them individually, one as a freezer, one as a fridge, and you can swap that as well, so that both compartments will freeze as well as be a fridge. The set button, what that physically does, if I hold it, now you've got high 1, high 2, high 3. What these are for if you have it connected to your car battery or to any other battery, what it will do, so say for instance, it'll get to a certain voltage. As soon as the actual unit detects the battery has dropped to a certain level, it'll turn itself off. So there's 3 protections on that. I'm not going to go into it, it's all in the user manual, so it has got a battery protection as well. Now, so to set it, so if you want to set the temperature, it's just your plus and your minus. See, it goes up to a maximum of 20, and it'll go down to a maximum of 20 as well, minus 20, and it's the same with the other one as well, so you can alter that one as well. At the moment I've got it set at 0. Now, there is a feature which I have found out about this, and it doesn't actually include it in the manual. And that is, if say you are wanting to use only one compartment and you're not going to use the other compartment for any length of time, so basically all you would do, holding the power down and holding the plus sign down for 3 seconds, both together simultaneously, what will happen, it'll turn the smallest compartment off. So this display will disappear. If you want the other one, or to swap, you would press the minus and the power button for 3 seconds, and the large compartment then will turn off as well. The only thing I've noticed is you can't have them both switched off, because that is exactly what your power's for. So you can turn them off, you can turn it on. 3 seconds. There we go. Now, what you've got a run sign, and you've also got your eco, so there's also an eco run as well. So overall, I will be honest with you, it is a sturdy beast. So if you're looking for one of these, get yourself on eBay under the name Sunny. They've been fantastic in emails. It's guaranteed for 12 months, so any problems, you just get in contact with them. The problem is when you look at a lot of fridges on YouTube, etc., a lot of them are from the USA. This is the first one, and it is my first ever video on YouTube from the UK. So this is a UK review of the Outsunny 48 litre fridge freezer. Speak to you soon. Bye.